Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup and Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to review real quick, I'll try, delayed but much appreciated box. This is the icon box from IPSY, and this was for the month of May. So I had a little misadventure that the package somehow was sitting somewhere in a warehouse, it seems. It wasn't moving. It was assigned shipping label, but it was never released to the post office. So the post office is waiting. You know, they're like, well, we know that a number was assigned, but otherwise there's not much to tell you except that it's still sitting where it's sitting. So I had to reach out. I'm like, hey, where's my stuff? And thank goodness, great customer service, IPSY. They came through, they tracked it down, they got it resolved. So way to go. So even though I was expecting this in May, and we're now in mid-June, at least I finally got it. So let's look in and see what the icon box has. So we have Erin Foster and Sarah Foster, I believe, spilling the beauty or beauty. Okay, I wish I could say I knew them, but I don't. But I see lots of lovely, sleek beauty stuff in there. So they look like Ralph Lauren models. Okay, moving on. First thing I see in here is, this is an add-on. This is the Elements. I'm gonna put on my reading glasses so I can get through this. I'm so thrilled. So this is the Elements, and I believe this might be a different flavor. I'm not sure, but is this the fig? I'm wondering, because they're supposed to be coming out with another scent, and I got kind of like intrigued. So that is that. Can't really read it, but I'll open it up so you can see it. Yeah, this is a different, yeah, love it. And this stuff is so good. It's like a solid, almost like a balm. And when you apply this, especially, you know, like if you're doing like extra makeup or theater makeup, it takes the stuff right off. It's amazing. Gotta love Elemis. The next thing I have here is a feature that they had that you could get the bag. So here I go. I wanted to show this real quick. Lovely, lovely bag. And it has flowers inside. Very, very nice. It used to be, oh, there it is. I was going to look for the company logo. There it is. And then it zips up. And of course, it has the ever omniscient, omnipresent logo right there. I am beyond thrilled. I finally got my box. I was like, where's my box? Oh my goodness. And again, IPSY Care came through. Love it. Okay, so the next thing I have here is from Femui or Femu. I'll figure out what the phonetic saying is and I'll post it here. This is the Aurora Dewy Mask. I could use a mask. My skin has been feeling rather tired lately with the change in weather, so I can't wait about that. It's depuffing, revitalizing. Okay. Do everything possible to refresh this face because you see, I look tired. The next thing I have here is from Rare Beauty, and this is All of the Above F&A. Integrity. What is this? Is this a lip liner? It's an eyeshadow stick. So there you have it. So let's just open this up and see what's going on. Okay. And I'm assuming it, oh, what a pretty color. Do that here. Wonder if it's, oh, it's creamy. It has like a, very nice. For some reason, I thought this was going to be a 2-in-1, but it's, oh, look. It actually comes out like that. Is that an eraser? I mean, or a sharpener? I don't know, but there you go. Nice little placement there. Okay. Next thing I have here is from Makeup by Mario. Okay, this is the one I think that had a couple of Makeup by Mario products, which I don't really have. I've never bought any, so this is going to be interesting to try. I think, what is this? This is, I think, their concealer. Why does it remind me a little bit of Elf's? And it's like they all use the same typical type of bottle that's just like this, plastic, you know. Okay, I may feature this in an upcoming video. Color looks okay. All right. The next thing I have in here is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Marshmallow Blush. This was an add-on. I like Seraphine Botanicals. I really do. You know, I don't have a lot of their products, but the few that I do, I've been happy with. That's a pretty blush right there. Let's see if I can open this. Can I? Yeah. There we go. Take like that. Oh, it feels so buttery. And then we just do this. Oh yeah, perfect for the summer. Pink, it's all about pink. And another blush that I got is from Beauty Creations called Blush Hush. Lately, I've just been going into the pinks, and this one is called My Favorite. If you see that there. All right, here we go. Oh, it's so cute. Has a little like draw heart on here. Isn't that nice? And it's raised, which I like. Smoked glass. Look, the presentation is a little more expensive. Oh, and it even has a mirror. It smells like the old-timey type of makeup, like CoverGirl. It smells like that. It has a little heart. I don't know if you see that. You see it? Yeah, I see it. I'm just gonna. The only thing I like about the embossing is that. Okay. Ooh, that's a nice. It's a different pink. That's the beauty one, and that's the one from Seraphine. All right, so I am set with pink for the summer. The next one I have here is from Drunk Elephant, and this is their D-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. Sunshine Drops. Kind of reminds me a little of the thing I opened up with Pokey Cosmetics, that they have the little drops. Elf has something similar. Everybody has something similar. If they have any kind of a cosmetic line or skincare line. So this is the bottle. This is the package, so it's not too far removed from it. I don't have a lot of products from Drunk Elephant. I find them rather expensive. And for a while, there seemed to be a craze where there was a mention about these young kids, 10 years old, going in there demanding their parents to buy them the Drunk Elephant stuff. So I found that interesting. All right, so here is the top. And since I've run out of room here, I'm assuming I just put a little dropsy there. I'm not gonna put too much. I don't really smell anything, so that's good. That is dark, my friend. And it's a little runny, but not too much. So this is a bronzer. Ooh, this is definitely nice for the summer. I just put that there and look at that. See the difference? Oh, for me, that's a marked difference. Okay. Next thing I have here is from ALO or ALO Wellness System. This is their Magnesium Reset Spray. Ooh, I've been hearing so much about magnesium lately and how important it is. And it's also important to get the right version of magnesium to introduce into your body. And if you spray it on yourself, I'm assuming your skin will absorb it. So this is a reset spray. The Mellow Mist. Support muscle recovery and bring on the bliss with a concentrated magnesium, valerian, and arnica. Is that arnica? Arnica spray that absorbs instantly into skin, soothes sore muscles, ease sleeplessness, and melt away tension. Yes, I should get several bottles of this. Hopefully, I'll try it. I'm hoping that, because I need help with sleeping. This is what the bottle looks like. Ooh, I like. And there's the spray, the button spray right there. I'm assuming you have to turn it. Yeah, it sounds like you have to turn it. Let's see. Okay, I shouldn't waste it. It smells botanical, not gonna lie. It has a botanical scent. I hope I didn't spit it on my mic. Okay. So it has a botanical smell. So if you're not into like a woodsy herbal type of scent, this may not be for you, but I'm fine with it. And I could easily, you know, and then you just see it opens and then it closes. You can tell it closes because it looks white, and after it has a little opening. So I like that. And it's glass. This is glass. So be careful, do not drop this. I wouldn't try to attempt to find out, but it does have some weight. Yay. I'm very happy about that. What else do I have here? My gosh, the gifts just keep on coming. The next thing I have here is from Ole Erickson. Yes. And this is the Glow OH or Glow O Dark Spot Toner. So I'm assuming this is something that helps to lighten your skin. And I do in the summer get freckles and a little bit of melasma around here. So I am all thrilled about getting something that will transform and not just hydrate and protect against, you know, UV rays, but also this says this transform. Ole Erickson. I am thrilled. And I'll put more information about it somewhere here. I'll open it so you see what the package looks like. Oh, nice. This is the bottle. This is definitely going to be used this summer. And this is the packaging. I'm afraid to find out how much this costs. I'm assuming it is not. It would be nice if this was a $20 jam so I can keep buying it, but and if it has a layaway plan. It says Ole Glow in there. Does it have a scent? No, let's see. Does it have a scent? Kind of reminds me a little of witch hazel, how it would come in this kind of like bottle with a little thing here like this. But I think there's a protective element in here so it doesn't spill until I peel it off. There we go. So this is a toner. Love toners, especially for the summer. It does have a slight scent. I want to say medicine-y. It has like almost like a menthol scent. Definitely a toner, you know. So yeah. Excited. Anything regarding skincare protection, skincare renewal, skin. I'm all about that. And cleansing. And certainly last but not least, what is this, I wonder? It's a perfume. Maison Louis Marie. Number 14, Layla. Oh my goodness, how do I open this? Oh, I see. I need a little something here quick, if I can. I'm impressed by the box. It's just so pretty. Okay. Oh, is that beautiful? The presentation's gorgeous. It's clean. The bottle is classic. You know, it just reminds me of the Chanel bottle. It had that same kind of design. Lately, I've just been wanting to be adventurous and try different scents. So this opens like this. Is this a spray? I don't know. Oh, it is. In the old days, this would be like basically something that you would go like this about, but oh, it has a spray. I'm gonna spray. It smells promising. Let's see. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It has a combination of flowers and fresh laundry. If I could print out, you know, if I had to do like a quick impression. But my goodness, this is very pretty. And it tells me what it has in here. First thing is alcohol, of course, parfum, fragrance. Yeah. It has a lemony scent, that's for sure. Yeah. I will put the ingredients somewhere here, but this is lovely. I will wear it. Definitely. And that, my friends, is my breakdown of everything. What am I missing? I feel like I'm missing something on here, but I'm not sure. I will double check the list that I got. I was warned by IPSY that I may not necessarily get everything that I had placed in my order, but they will try to keep it as close to what I originally ordered. So I'm pleased. I'm not sure. I think I ordered something else from Makeup by Mariel, but I'm not sure what. But I can't wait to try out that concealer. I'm going to put that in as a tryout for the next video. So I'm really excited about the skincare options, especially my Elemis. Gotta love my Elemis. And this bag is so totes adorable. I think I'm going to put everything in there right now because everything needs to be kept for my summer regime, my summer regimen. I gotta get everything in there. So I've talked long enough. I've rambled. I've misspoke countless times, and I do apologize for that. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest and greatest makeup video. Is it? No, it's an unboxing of the latest from May from the Icon Box from IPSY. What do you think? Did you get something similar? Are you an Ipster? Do you get the Icon subscription? Let me know in the comments below. And all I have to say is my hair is fritzing today because it's pretty muggy out, and I have to keep remembering to stay hydrated. So you do too. Take care. Enjoy. And just in case, nothing sponsored here. This is not an ad. Take care. Stay safe.